Hannah, Dominic, let her in. Are you going? Let her in. Dominic, get down. Get down before somebody gets hurt. Let her in. Great, Dylan. Stop.
I need my noodle. It's off.
Where is it?
Over there.
Well, I'll get it. Okay, I'll get it. What do you need, sweetie? Do you need to go to the bathroom?
No, I'm taking a break.
Okay, go. Your towel's on the table. Dry off in the sun for a few minutes. The Dylan, that's just the skirt that goes over her bathing suit. Dylan, bring it over here. So don't throw it in the grass.
That's mine. It fell off.
Dylan, honey, bring it over here. Dominic, you have to dry off your whole body before you go inside so you don't get drips all over the floor.
I'm squinting.
No. Make sure you wrap yourself in the towel and you're dry. Whoa! Splashing. You guys, why don't you three do a swimming show?
I'm just a little baby and I'm like Gracie.
Dylan, you're acting like a baby. Hannah.
Mommy,
Hannah's
put
like,
your phone down.
Why?
For a second, put it down. I want to show you something. Please.
I'm taking videos of you guys. Oh! Oh, you brat. You are going to get it. You are so going to get it. Just wait. Just wait. You're going to get it. Hi, Casey.
I can't believe you fell for it.
You're a brat. You are totally
That's
crazy.
the phone is stuck in the box.
Hi, baby. She's still careful. She's floating. Hey, sweetheart. Dylan James, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it and you won't have it. Don't do it again. She's trying to enjoy herself. She's not bothering you.
Wait 1 second. Out of my way.
I'm out of here.
Stop!
Dylan, she's just swimming. You're the one getting in her way.
Wait! Stay! I want to stop.
No, I'm not falling for your tricks no more. No, I don't want to stay.
Please!
I know what you're up to. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Doo-Doo.
Hi, Boogie.